Welcome back to the layout. In today's product review, we're going to be looking at the Woodland Scenics Just Plug lighting system. Alright, so kind of have a whole kit here. So we got the power supply. You have your hub set, and this actually comes with two lights as well. You have an expansion hub, and then a port sharing device. I have a couple Nano lights. Just right here, some expansion cables. And then I have a couple packs of just the regular size LED stick-ons, and these are the warm whites. So if we look on here on the back, so you have just the basic set, and then I'll be doing something similar to the expansion. Got a handful of buildings and structures that I'm going to be lighting. Won't be using any of the street lights with this, but we'll go ahead and get this set up and into our buildings. Alright, so we got everything out of the package, and I wanted to just do a quick mock-up before the stuff actually goes in under the layout. So we have our power adapters going in here to the expansion hub on your in port here, and that leaves you with 4 ports right here that you can then send out to the light hubs or sequencing hubs as well. So right now this particular light hub is coming in here. So here's our first light hub. So here on number 1, I have this LED light. And then on number 2, I went ahead and plugged in the port sharing device. So this allows you to run 4 LEDs off of one port. Again, you're just kind of maximizing your cost with this. But next, go ahead and break this down and start getting things plugged in. So I ended up doing 4 of the warm white LEDs here on the underside of the canopy, and then I have 2 inside the building as well, all the same. So I'm trying to maximize everything that I have in this lower section of the layout with using the Just Plug series, and with the port sharing device and the hub. So what I have going on is I did all 4 of the canopies underneath the layout. So that is in the port sharing device, and then I have the other 2 building lights going into the hub right now. So then what I'm going to do is add another port sharing device and move the hub further on down the line so that I can add the additional lights. And then now that I'm happy with the setup, I'll go ahead and get those wires and everything tidied underneath and mount everything. Alright, so let's kind of go over some of the hits and misses with the lighting that I have in this particular scene. So I'm really happy with how the lights turned out here on the canopy. One thing that I definitely need to add is, you can barely see it, but the sign is not lit. So I have a couple nanos that I'll probably put there to illuminate that. And then the building itself looks really good. I'm happy with that. Again, I think it could probably use a parking lot light or something else to kind of brighten this one area, which would also probably illuminate the sign as well. And then the only other thing, obviously we got some light coming through both on the wall, and you can see here where the roof meets the wall as well. And Woodland Scenics does sell the blackout kit basically to address those issues. So that'll probably pick one of those up and give those a try, and at the same time see what I have, paint wise and foam that I can replicate that as well. Hi, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to hit the bell where you'll get notifications whenever I post new videos. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, be sure to leave a comment. I try to respond to everyone's comments. And again, thank you for watching.